2004, a massive tsunami hit the Indian Ocean, killing over 230,000 people. But do you know who didn't die? The animals. Minutes before the waves hit, elephants broke their chains and ran to the hills. Flamingos abandoned their low-lying nesting grounds. Dogs refused to go outside. We think we own this planet because we built cities and smartphones. But the truth is, we are completely blind to how the Earth actually works. Animals are living in a matrix of signals, magnetic fields, and hidden frequencies that we can't even comprehend. Today, we're looking at the wildest ways our planet and its creatures are connected, and why some of this stuff genuinely terrifies scientists. Let's start with a basic question: how does a baby sea turtle, born on a beach in Florida, swim 9,000 miles around the entire Atlantic Ocean and find its way back to the exact same beach 10 years later? No Google Maps, no signs. They use quantum entanglement. Well, sort of. Animals have built-in biological compasses. Inside a turtle's brain, or a bird's eye, there are proteins called cryptochromes. They can literally see the Earth's magnetic field lines. To a bird, the planet doesn't look like rocks and trees, it looks like a glowing grid of energy. But here is where it gets creepy. Every few 100,000 years, Earth's magnetic field flips. North becomes south. Right now, scientists say the magnetic North Pole is moving toward Russia at an unprecedented speed. And animals are starting to glitch. Whales beaching themselves in record numbers. Birds losing their direction. It's not always pollution. Sometimes, it's the planet's GPS crashing. Think Avatar's Tree of Souls is just sci-fi. Think again. The entire planet is covered in a literal underground internet, and the tech support is run by mushrooms. It's called the mycorrhizal network. Beneath the soil, fungal threads connect the roots of every single tree in a forest. If a tree on one side of the forest is attacked by bugs, it pumps chemical warning signals through the fungus to its neighbors. The neighboring trees receive the alert and immediately start pumping toxins into their leaves to protect themselves. They even have an economy. Mother trees will notice a dying sapling in the shade and send sugar and nutrients to it through the roots to keep it alive. The forest acts as one single, massive superorganism. So next time you step on a mushroom, you just stepped on a fiber optic cable. Earth didn't just build a smart network, it created creatures that straight up cheat death. Meet the Turritopsis dohrnii, the immortal jellyfish. When this jellyfish gets old, sick, or stressed, it undergoes transdifferentiation. It reverts its cells back to a childhood state, drops to the ocean floor, and starts its life cycle all over again. It can do this infinitely. It has skipped the game over screen of life. And if you think that's cool, look at the mantis shrimp. This tiny punchy boy can strike with the speed of a .22 caliber bullet. Their punch is so fast, it heats the water around it to the temperature of the surface of the sun for a split second, creating a flash of light. They can see colors humans can't even imagine. We have 3 color-receptive cones in our eyes. They have 16. They are looking at a universe we are literally blind to. This brings us back to the biggest mystery. Why are we, the smartest species, the most oblivious to the planet's anger? In 2009, in L'Aquila, Italy, days before a devastating 6.3 magnitude earthquake, a massive colony of toads suddenly abandoned their breeding ground. Why is that weird? Toads never leave their eggs once they lay them. Scientists checked everything, no change in water chemistry, no visible signs. It turns out, the Earth's crust releases charged particles and low-frequency electromagnetic waves days before a major quake. Animals feel it. Snakes wake up from hibernation in freezing winter just to escape earthquakes. Birds fly away from volcanic eruptions weeks before they happen. They feel the heartbeat of the Earth. We just feel the ground shaking when it's already too late. We spend billions looking for alien life on Mars, looking at dry rocks through rovers. But we forget that we live on a living, breathing spaceship right now. Earth isn't just a rock with water, it's a complex, interconnected puzzle where every wolf, every mushroom, and every sea turtle holds a piece of the code. Maybe it's time we stop trying to dominate nature, and start listening to it. Because the planet is talking. We just forgot how to hear. If you want to know more about the crazy quantum physics inside animal eyes, click this video right here. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments, what's the weirdest thing your pet has ever predicted? See you next time.